Sorry about that. Messed up my video a little bit, so the unboxing part is going to have to be a second video. But here's the bike. I'm just going to go ahead and try out this part on here. Can't stand these handlebars. I think they're the originals from 1990, and they're bent in about 8 different ways. This side's forward, this side's back, it's twisted here, and the whole point of the build on this bike is I'm trying to make it look as nice as I can get it and run as good as I can get it for the lowest price and budget I can. I got the bike for $270. It was complete. The only thing that was unbolted from it was the rad shrouds, the back number plates, and the exhaust was off. Everything else was complete and on the bike. So it was a pretty good deal. From there, I stripped it down. I did the frame and swing arm. Went through, checked all the bearings, make sure all that stuff's all good. Let's try these out. I like the look of the fat bars. It gives it it'll give this bike an updated look. It won't look so old. These 1990 KXs, they don't look too bad. But for old wise, I'd say 92, 93 are my oldest ones that I like the best. But this bike's going to look pretty good with all black. I think it looks good right now. I can sit here and stare at it for hours. Trying to think of the next thing I want to do to it. Now with these bar mounts, you can run the fat bars. They also give you these extender pieces that go in there, which allows you to run the normal size bars also. I had a 2002 RM125 that I bought and rebuilt, but it had some fat bar extenders kind of like this, but they also work kind of like a bar riser. And I just liked the way that the bike felt with the bars sitting up a bit higher than normal. It felt comfortable to ride. It was a really nice bike. I have videos of it. I just got to learn how to get them from my Facebook, and I can put them on here. But I've had quite a few dirt bikes, and every time I get them, I always rip them apart, check them all out, rebuild them. But I have pictures and run videos of most of the bikes I've done. I had a 2000 RM80, then a 1996 RM125 that I replaced completely everything right down to the plastics. Then I got the 2002 RM125, traded that for a 2001 YZ250, stripped that, rebuilt it, then I sold that, bought a Banshee 350 twin, completely rebuilt that one, new jugs, new bottom end, top end. I finished it, I didn't even start it, and I sold that and went on to a new project. There, I got these loosely in place here. I'll bring you over to show you. Now that's the extender slash fat bars. I'm gonna put the stock bars in here just for now until I buy another set. So just bear with me here. Once again, sorry, this is my cell phone on a tripod. I haven't learned to edit yet or anything like that. But I will get to it, and I will get a proper camera. If anybody's interested in what I do around here. Well, they're not too bad. It'll be nice once I have the rest of the bike back together. I'm trying to decide right now if I want to. I was thinking I would wire wheel this on my wire wheel here and try to make it polish the aluminum like I polished everything else for the subframe here. But I'm not too decided if I want to just go ahead and paint that black, because you only see the one bar just a little bit. So I'm not too decided on what I want to do yet with that. But a lot of the extra parts on the bike I have polished. I'll show you the exhaust in a minute. Aftermarket exhausts that are in good shape are hard to find for a bike this old, and when I got this bike, it came with a full pro circuit exhaust, header, 2 silencer, and it's in decent shape. It looks really good, it has no dents in it. So I went ahead and I polished it, and it came out pretty good. I even kept the Pro Circuit sticker on the silencer, and I really like it. Grabbed the bike for something to do for the winter. I also have a 2000 Chev Silverado 5.3 V8 4x4 outside. The train track arms were down and they're broken, so everybody was going through, and I went to snake through, and one of the arms hit the side of my box. Now I've been watching YouTube videos trying to decide if I want to order the equipment. It's called paintless dent repair, And what it is, it's suction cups, and you glue these cups to the dent, and then you use the puller. That way you don't have to use the welder to weld tabs on it to use a dent slide hammer. Now, okay, these are on now, and I like how high they sit, like with my other bike. It just makes it a lot comfortable, and with these older bikes, the handlebars seem like they're real low. Bring you in here and check that out. They're not too bad, I like that. I also got these blue anodized unbreakable levers in the mail the other day before I decided to make videos. But I got them to match the front forks on these, I'm pretty sure 90 to 92 or 93, these bikes had blue forks. And I think it looks kind of cool, that blue with the black rims and stuff. So yeah, that's that. And over here is kind of my pile of stuff, I would say. Here's the pipe. I polished that on the wheel. Here's the rest of it here. I really need to get a new seat cover. I can't stand the blue with the pink. But that's it for this video. Again, I'm sorry that it's on my phone and I don't know how to edit out the slow parts yet. I will get to it and learn how to. Next video I'll most likely be showing my truck and the dent in the box, and maybe go over some ways I was thinking to fix it. Maybe you could send some comments if somebody knows how to fix it better than I would. Just let me know. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.